Today we are going to see how to do stereo photography for cheap. Stereoscopy is a technique using binocular vision to give the impression of depth. Two images are mixed in the brain to give you a 3D image. Any stereoscopic image is called a stereogram. So the technique for making stereograms is known since the start of photography. And many cameras with two eyes were made to do stereograms. So nowadays, to do stereograms, you need to buy a really expensive camera, or you have to try the other techniques like gluing two cameras together or moving your camera a little bit from one spot to another. And it's not cheap and it's not really helpful. So after doing some research, I found this accessory for putting on your lens from the 50s, the Stereax. So I found one for 30 euros on eBay. Two pairs of parallel mirrors are fixed in front of the lens and it gives you a pair of stereo image. But the mount of the Stereax was made for an old camera. So after I removed the filter ring, I added a modern filter ring to the Stereax. I found out that the best focal length for using the Stereax was 40 millimeters. So I decided to fix the Stereax on my Konica 40mm 1.8 lens. You can see there is two images slightly different on just one photo. So now to view it in 3D, you can use different techniques. The cross-eyes way is the most simple solution because you just need your eyes. But few people can cross their eyes for a long time. The best solution I found is to use the Loreo Pixie glasses. It's a cheap cardboard glasses made with prism inside to help you do the 3D effect. Okay, so sadly right now, many of you don't have a stereo viewer. So the best solution I found to show you the 3D effect is to do animated stereograms. I just took the image from the left and put it on top of the image of the right in Photoshop, and I just flick from one to another really fast, and you can see an impression of depth. So you can see the 3D effect is there, but it's not as great as the real 3D effect when you use your two eyes with the cross-eye version or with a viewer. You can ask me anything in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to get my new reviews and also check my experiments and my Patreon page. Thank you.